Go network. I'm begging you. Mm, continue. Evening. Hi, Naomi. Just passing through and thought I would say hello. Hi, Dave. Thank you so much for coming. Dave, how are you doing? How are you doing, Dave? Please double tap your screen for me. I imagine you're about to have someone join you for a chat about investing or something. Yeah. Yes, Dave, you are right. You are right, Dave. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Dave. Hope your day went well. How are you and your family? Dave, we are doing fine by God's grace. Thank you so much. How about you, Dave? I hope you are doing well in your family as well. Hello, hello, is it Connor? KKK. And thank you for coming. I'm really good. Thank you. Thanks for coming, Dave. Connor, I hope you just misspelling something else. Yeah, I don't really understand what you say. How is Hobby doing, Naomi? He's fine. He's Pascal Obina. Hi, Obina. Obina, thank you for coming. How are you doing? Hey, I'm frozen. It's my network. Oh. My frozen. My network. My network is just on and off. God. This network, you better behave. Thank you for the thumbs up. I hope I'm not frozen again. Can you all hear me? I pray for a stable network. Oh, network, be stable. I command you to be stable. I command this network to stop misbehaving and be stable. Okay. Please, if you are in the chat, I would like to know if you can hear me, please. I believe I'm stable now. Can you hear me? Hi, Eunice. Eunice, I'm here praying for the network. Oh. The network is misbehaving. Eunice says, Dave, hi. Eunice, how is the evening? I hope your evening is going well. You are resting well, right? Are you resting well? I hope you are resting well. How is the evening? It's fine, oh, it's fine by God's grace. I hope your evening is going on well. Hey, what water that I drank and I'm sweating like this. Evening is fine, it's a bit hot. It's fine. Thank you for asking, and I trust yours is going on as well. I hope MK Mama will join us. Eunice, are you here? I hope your evening is going well. Hey, who do we have here? Hello, MK Mama. Good evening.
Good evening, Grace. How are you doing?
Doing well by God's grace. How are you doing too? Your
I'm good
family?
too. Yeah, I'm very good, doing well. Thank you for asking. Hi, everyone. Um, Not to waste time because it's a bit late here, getting a bit late, and I don't want to delay anything.
Yeah.
Me
Okay.
stepping in to come up, it means I just wanted to do something, or else maybe I would have been down there. So let's just quickly do something then. Hi,
Okay.
Eunice. I've seen Eunice. Yeah.
Hi, Ochis Farm.
Okay, so yesterday we learned something about. I'm even thinking of you creating another account instead of your account.
Pardon?
Do you have a second account? Hi,
A
Eunice.
second account.
Like it's, yeah. Do you have? Or you have only this?
Is it? I'm not
Like,
getting your
do you
MK.
have another account? Do you have
You mean
another account? YouTube
yes,
account?
I
Or,
yes, I have, but I don't have subscribers on it.
no, no, it doesn't matter. Um, What's the name? Maybe we could use that one.
Uh,
Oh,
it
the
seems like
subscribers are not much. So you cannot come live like this.
yes, I think I need about 50
Okay.
subscribers. But I don't know if Eunice has any that maybe is up to 50.
It's fine. Eunice has a second channel, and even the second channel is like the first channel.
Mm,
Like everybody knows it. So I just needed an account, a new account, which when I think you just need a new email to create it. But I don't know if you get that will you be able to come on live? Which I'm not sure. So it's fine. It's just we could use your second account for now. I don't know why, but I feel like changing your platform, this one,
Okay.
to a different account. So you think about it. Maybe you and Eunice, then you know how you go about it.
Okay.
If that's okay, yeah. So yeah, thank everybody who is on board. Whether you are watching us from the bush everywhere, you are warmly welcome to Bless You YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, I was telling you that before we start, let's pray. I don't know why, but I feel like praying. Let's pray. Thank everlasting Father, thank you for today. We are before you starting our lessons. We pray for retentive memory. We pray that you will guide us. We pray that you will help us to understand whatever we are about to learn.
Amen.
We thank you that indeed in you that we trust, and we know after this lesson everything will calm down. May everything calm down within our minds so that at the end of this lesson, it's going to be a glorious one. Thank you, everlasting Father, for listening to our prayers. In Jesus' mighty name, we pray with thanksgiving. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so that is that. By the
Nice.
way, so I told you that anytime you start with your trading, when you come on the live, sorry, did I say live? When you come on the app, the first thing you need to check is top-down analysis. That is, I don't know, can you hear me? My voice looks tired. I'm tired. I don't
Yes,
know a single day that I'm not tired. I'm tired, honestly.
I can
My
hear you.
voice is a little bit thick, something of that sort. But sorry, if only you can hear me, that's fine. I
Yeah, I
don't
can
want to
hear you.
really lose a lot of strength anymore because it's enough.
Welcome, Smokey.
Where is Smokey?
Smokey is in the chat. He was saying hello to you.
Oh, really? Sorry. I did. Oh, you know, I'm not watching the phone. I'm just here trying to figure out something. Sorry, Smokey. Hi, Smokey. Thank you so much for coming. And how are you doing? Oh, I didn't even see the chat. Sorry, guys. Yeah,
Problem.
Eunice YT account. Yeah. All right, it's fine. Thank you so much, everyone who's here. Yeah. Before you will go in the trading chart, this is how you have to channel your mind. That first, when you go into the chart, you are going to look at the trend of the market. I've been saying this a lot. And the last time we met, I told you that in as much as you've seen that the market is going up, being bullish, don't forget it can come down because bullish it's higher high, higher low. So we consider the higher low as a selling position. Do you get it? So in
Yes.
as much as it's bullish doesn't mean that we cannot sell in the market. We still sell, but it will still go back in its bullish form. So let's see something here. If you see this, it was going up. We got our higher high. Where are you? Is it
Okay,
light?
Mama, I'm here.
Okay, we have higher high here. You know higher high, right?
Yes,
Because you should,
please.
yeah. And this is the higher low. So
Yes.
in as much as it's in an uptrend, we still have a selling opportunity in it because when a candle is coming down like that, it's a selling opportunity. So in as much as that, hi Uchi, hi Uchi fan, in as much as the market is bullish, doesn't mean it will never come down. It still comes down. So when it's coming down, you get an opportunity. I use different techniques in going. Yet the last time I told you that other people just use the support and resistance level to just take trade. Some people also use only the fair value gap, but I combine a lot to get a strong position so that I take trade there. If I see that the trade is in an uptrend trade, like it's in a bullish trade, then I come down to check where there is a fair value gap, wait for the um candles to get into my zone, then I buy from that. I don't just go to the market. Get my few tips before I do that. I hope you get it.
Yes.
Okay. So when you look at this chart, you see we have a lot of support and resistance here. So as I was saying, every higher high and higher low, or lower high or lower low, is just a support. And that support to this one is resistant. It means the market is going up. It's supposed to go up, up, up. But when it got here, we got a liquidity sweep. When we say liquidity, it means the market couldn't go any longer. There was, kind of liquidity, which I think you should have searched by now. So when it gets to this point, it's unable to go up because we believe that the market, let me, higher, can you see the laptop well? Eunice, are
Yes.
you there? Just to make sure, because you can sleep at any time, leaving us. So just to make sure you are there, Eunice. Can you do this thing? How Eunice did this his her celebration, the app that she used. Are you able to do that? If we can use that so that Eunice can come up so that I
Is
see
it
her because I don't trust her eyes.
you
The
mean
app,
the
the app,
trading view?
no, 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 no. The You see that app that a lot of people can come on the live.
Um
Do you know how to
uh,
go about it?
StreamYard.
Do you know how to go about that? I think that will help because I want Eunice to come up to see her eyes, see
Unit.
everything like as I'm seeing you. So after the section, you can just
Okay.
let Eunice help you. I know she's able to.
I'm supposed to sign in, right? Or is it?
Don't worry, after this, I just want
Oh,
Eunice
okay.
to come up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, just want to see her up
Okay.
with the eyes opening because so this is higher low as you already know higher high, okay?
Yes.
Every candle creates this, so we expect that when the when the market get here, it shouldn't surpass this. When it get here, it shouldn't surpass this. But when it comes and passes over this, it means there has been a change. The last time I said it, what was the name? Do you remember?
With a change of character.
Yes. The moment it changes from here, instead of getting to this point and it comes down, it means this candle has a change of character. So instead of buying, you change your levels. So you have to study the market very well, how the trend is going. Look at here. Do you see the cursor?
Yes.
The market was going that. So we expect it goes this way, it comes down a little bit, it goes this way, it comes down like here. But see, it got here, which means it has broken all this support and this has changed. its character in a different dimension. Now it's not going there. Now it's going in a different dimension altogether. Then you have to also change your mindset about your bullish kind of. I don't know if you get it. Even though the market is bullish that week, but see this place, it came down to sell. Then it started. Now it's trying to get to the top. Okay. So in as much as you have a lot of idea about the market, when you go to the market, study the market. I don't know why people think trading is kind of gambling or something. Our everyday life is trading. It's
Yeah.
like you going to buy shares, in the bank. When the shares are is low, you go, you buy the shares so that when this market goes higher, your shares will, get a lot of money. You see? So instead of me going to buy the shares, I come here to buy a trade. And all those is what's happening here. So I don't know why people classify this. And I don't know why, but it's all good. So that is that. So we use the trading view to come and calculate where we want our trade to start, where we want it to stop. Then we go on our phone, then we place a trade. That is when you have take profit, you have stop loss and your entry. You can also go to the market because me, if I see this, it looks like a morning star, I'm going to buy this straight away. But you are just fresh in the market and it's very difficult. Even the candles, you guys have not learned it that much. You have to know your candles and know what everything is. So that is that. So let's use only support and resistance to place a trade. After that, then I teach you the tricks involved with my strategy. Then there you go.
Okay.
Is that okay, Eunice? So you can take a trade very soon. I hope you'll be happy.
Yeah.
So let's see. You came to the market, okay? And you had this support. This support, sorry, did I say support? This is resistance because the market is in a bullish form. So instead of this market to go up, it gave us this liquidity sweep, leaving us a resistance level. And this same resistance, we call it other block. So some people call it other block or resistance. It's the same. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the reason why I'm saying people normally use only that one to trade is this. Let's say the market is at this point, then I get my triangle, kind of form. Then I indicate it here on this resistance that I got. I believe that whenever the market, whenever, what is your strategy based on? What are the kind of stocks you are tracking? Okay. Anyway, my strategy is based on so many things. Though after everything, maybe if I get the only thing I use the Fibonacci is when I get to fair value gaps. But honestly, I use breaker block, I use my fair value gaps. I even use the other block. I use everything and I trade top from top. I don't normally trade, um like lower time frame. I don't know if Debo is here. I don't know where you are from, but Anyway, let me just answer you for that. But I know you trade, that's why you are asking me this. So that's what I use to, trade. Normally, I don't really go in for the Fibonacci, but I know people use the two. People always normally use the support and resistance. That is what I'm about to teach. But I use a lot of I use breaker block, I use order block, I use fair value gaps, I use what again? And even I study the candle and wait till when I'm satisfied before I go with my entry. Is that okay, Debo? Debo one, yeah. How did you get to know this channel? Let me ask. So this is what I was trying to say, that people normally use only the resistance to trade. That's their job. They know the market, so they only use that. So let's say that this is the only first, the only last resistance that we came to meet. By then, there wasn't any resistance on the top. Then you stretch your triangle there, and they believe that whenever the market gets to where exactly where the support is, it will still come down. So when the market gets here, they wait for the market, and when the market gets to a resistance level, they sell with it. But when it comes across at a certain level above their resistance, they wait for a confirmation, then maybe they buy. So they wait for it to sell. So let's go about how people do this. You see this point? We had this as our first resistance. We stretch our this thing, um our triangle. This market here came in it, but it wasn't so strong. Some people will still sell it from here. Can you see
Okay.
it? You see,
Yes.
it came to, they believe that the market will still come to this resistance level, then they sell. Some people will sell from this part, but others will also wait because sometimes the market can be a little bit kind of drama. But if you
Okay.
even get it from here, it means you get some kind of sell here. Have you
Okay.
seen? That's
Yeah.
their belief. And it's working. It's not always, but it's working.
Okay.
Trust me, it's working. So you can use only this to even trade, knowing that you've mastered your candles. So some people will say this is not a strong resistance because it did not
Mhm.
go to the line that they want. But the candles, the candlesticks got there a little bit. I don't know. So they
Yeah.
wait. As they are waiting, they stretch their triangle. Let's see. You see, when stretching the triangle, it got here. You see,
Yes.
market came there,
Yeah.
and this is fully resistant. Like it's actually came there, and it was a little bit above. But this candle tells you that, it should tell you something that you should wait when you see a reversal here, like because it looks like it is getting above it, okay? So you wait for
Mhm.
this confirmation to come, then you know that,
Okay.
okay, then this candle is going to sell. So you see people use only this to trade. They will stretch the last resistance level that they came to meet. They wait, stretch their triangle. Whenever they see market entering here, they just sell.
Okay.
And this is a massive sell. Very, very massive sell.
Very, very big one.
Yes, depending on your lot size. So this is a very massive sell.
Lot
So you
size.
see, people only use this resist. The same thing applies here. The same thing applies here. The same
Mm.
thing. But you should, as I said, you should know if the market gets here to the down, that is the support. It means that it needs a support to go up. It is pushing it to go up, right? See,
Mm.
this support came. and it's pushed the market here. But when a resistance comes, it pushed the market downward because it couldn't break it to the top, right? So
Yeah.
let's see. This support came. So, oh, sorry. This support came. And we believe that if this support has come, then at a point when we get another support, there should be a buy for us. So let's stretch. We were stretching. We saw support here, but it couldn't get to our first candle that we took. We still wait. This support, as I told you, no matter what, the market will balance. If it
Mm.
takes ages, the market will balance. No matter how high it goes, it will still come back to fill the gaps. That's the fair value gaps. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is another support. It came, it just swept off. It did not get to your support. Let's still continue to stretch it out and let's see whether it got there. Yeah, we got here. It's got to our support. It's break this support and care. So you wait for it's not just that when the market comes there, you just buy because we say it's a support, so it will go up. But you wait for a confirmation because it started with a red candle. It means it will be coming down. But when it got here, there was an indecision candle. And immediately this bullish candle came. It means it is positive. Then you buy from here. See this? See, it has been up, 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 and has never come down. From here, if you got your support very well, it means you are going to buy from here. See how the market went up, up, came down a little while, up, up. It's up, literally going up. So you can just take your profit at where maybe you feel it's okay, or you still continue to follow the trend. So imagine that you've taken your Ghana salary, your Ghana salary or whatever, you put it on this trade at your support area. Then this trade started with a good lot size if you have money. Then this market is going like that. OMG. You see, so
Hmm.
people use only that one to trade. But
Okay.
as I said, I don't use that one. Eunice, are you there? So now you know.
Okay, now that's the GBP USD.
Yeah, GBP USD. Yeah, we have a lot that you can trade on, but I trade mostly forex.
Okay.
Crypto, yeah, crypto. Yeah, I trade though, but because I don't believe crypto on weekends, so mostly I'm on forex. I'm always on forex.
And Eunice is asking a question.
MK, please, how do you wait for a confirmation? Do you have to wait for another candlestick? It's not about the candlestick that you are waiting for, but you should know the candles. It's like if you see, yes, you have to wait for a confirmation. You don't just enter the market or else. The moment you enter, your money has begun. Yes. And don't forget, it's not like when you enter trade, there is a lot of money there. You can get a time you will lose. But maybe within 2 weeks, if you trade 4 times, at least, or let's say 3 times, no, let's say 5 times, at least you can lose two, then get three profits. That is how trading is. It's not like when you come trading, you are not going to get low. Sometimes you might think the market, this has to go up again. That's when it even fails you. But we believe that the number of times you should get profits should be much higher than the lot side. Definitely you'll get a lot of lots in it. But we believe that when you get one loss side, you have to get three profits to at least cover it up. Whenever
Okay.
you are getting loss, it means there is something wrong. You are not taking particular thing very serious.
So please, can I ask a question?
Yeah, you can.
So you said
Sorry,
we can
one
use the
second. Did I
higher.
answer? Let me see if do
Okay,
you have
unit.
to?
Okay.
Yeah, you have to wait for a valid confirmation before you enter. You know what you want. You said you are using the resistance and the support, and you feel like the candle is not really entering into. Some people, when it touches even the triangle, they are okay. But with some people, they want it to fill the gap. So you don't just say you want money, so you go in anyhow. Wait for a valid and a legit confirmation that you feel like I am certain. This I'm going in. This is my strategy. So people use only the support and resistance. But personally, I don't use only with that one. Mostly, I don't even use that one. Though it's part of what I will use, but I don't really use that alone. So yes, Eunice, you have to wait for a confirmation. That is why you should also know your candle. You should know your candles very well. You should know even this place tells me, see, this candle tells me it's just haram. Like it just tells me. And this candle, you know, is telling me something. There was an indecision here. Buyers and sellers didn't know what to do. But this candle alone tells me that, you know, there's going to be something positive. You can ask your question, please.
Okay, thank you. So when analyzing, you said we can use the higher time frame, for example, like 1 month. But when you want to place the trade, what time frame can we use? Like, is it 1 hour, 4 hours, or
Okay, people use 1 hour to trade depending on how you want to wait. Some even use 15 minutes. Yes, even me, I use 15 minutes also. But mostly I use um high time frame. Like I don't use the lower ones. I start to check the market probably from 3 months to see how the trend is going, and I come down to 1 month. By then I'm taking some notes of how the trend is. Then I come down to 1 week. Then after that I get to 1 day. For 1 day, that's where I'm going to use very well. Then after that, maybe for entry I use 4 hours. But maybe if I need
okay,
something quick, I feel like this 15 minutes is going to give me money quick. But mostly lower time frame, there are a lot of noises in the market. Sellers are selling, buyers are in. But I'm not saying it's not good. People use it that, but a lot of noises there.
okay,
Beyond chart and indicators, iron central bank policies, capital flows, and geographical events, the main influence of forex trading. Yeah, that's why I'm saying Debo. That's very true. But I believe in sticking to whatever that works for you. I have been in it so many months. Yes. And yeah, I stick to my strategy that is helping me. If you even go to the market, there are a lot of strategy people use. It's just recently I'm even testing this Fibonacci thing because I was using my own techniques, my own knowledge, my own brains, everything that I think I know to fish out those kind of things. But a lot of people use a lot of things that they also feel like that one is, working for them. But I feel like trading is so simple if you know how it goes and if you know how it works for you. Is that okay? All right,
okay.
bye, Ochi fans.
Bye.
MK
Thanks for
Rama.
food.
So it means waiting for a confirmation is studying the last candle, or it's not even only the last candle. Sometimes, like this, let's see. When the candle came down to this, okay, if it comes down like this, it means it has broke this structure that we felt like it's a support. So when it get here, it's supposed to go up for us. But I didn't do that. So waiting for the confirmation is breaking this to come down. We feel like it's gonna sell. But we also think that we have our strong support here. Oh, where is it? Okay, see. We feel like we have our strong support here. And we are thinking that when the market gets to our support area, it's supposed to be here. And even if when it comes down a little bit, it's supposed not to be a big candle, then goes back. We follow the trend and we buy it. But in this case, when it got here to this, we didn't get a strong support. It came down a little bit, but then market can do anything here because it can still continue to sell. But these figures coming up gave us, am I off? Gave us a clue. There was an indecision here. Okay, we got a lot of indecision whether it is going to buy or it is going to sell. We got indecision here, and we had this huge candle that gave us the confirmation that this candle is not going to continue downwards because this has already given us liquidity sweep. It means the market is going to go up. So it's not like waiting for only this red candle to confirm. It's like the market is always running. It's always there for you. So you have to be patient and look for your strong confirmation that you feel like this time I'm going to buy. So if I was in this trade, I was going to wait. And even with this, where is
Oh, so
if even
sorry.
with this here, I will still not buy. I will still wait. Let me see. I will still wait. Even this is a buy candle. But if I was in this trade, I was still going to wait, then see if the market will come back again. Then you got this confirmation. That means, yeah, the market is trying to, is it accommodate or consolidate itself? Yeah, so the waiting for your strong confirmation. So n- like everybody has their own way, like um what's the name? Debo is saying. If you
Debo.
give this laptop to Debo, Debo has his own way of also learning this. Everybody, if you go to the market and you want to learn, you will learn a different strategy, but get one strategy for yourself, master it, know the market, and that's it. When you pick the laptop, you know where you are going to do. You are not going to watch someone. The only thing you need is making profits from this. And that's it. As I told you, me, I used about 5 or 6 strategy before getting into this trade. But somebody uses only this, only the support and resistance. And they also make money. See, this is support, this is resistance, this is resistance. The person will buy from here. And even this money is huge than what I will get because I feel like I have 6 strategies that I combine to get my points. I don't know whether you get it. Eunice, do you get it? So master yours very well. Master what you understand. Master what you want, because a lot of noise is in the market. And if you don't take care, you will take everybody's strategy. And now when you get to the market, you don't know what to do. Some people all just take this and that's it. Some also go in aggressive trading. When they see this buy could be news. When they see this buy, they just enter. When it gets here, they just come out. That's what they do.
Okay.
Okay. So master your strategy. In as much as I'm teaching you, this support and resistance. People use it to trade. Me, I use 5 for a confirmation before I come on this and trade. But people are also using just that to get money. When it get here, it means there was another support that was there. You see, it means the person drew this support from here. Definitely, it will come. Where is it? Yeah, I don't know whether you guys can see it. See, if the person is using just the support to analyze, this is one support. So the person will just draw this support. And wherever the market gets to, the person will stop, wait for that market to get to that zone. Then the person starts according to the candles the person have seen. Why is it going up? Sorry, guys.
Hi, Nima's TV. Thank you for coming. How are you doing? Thank you, sis, for coming.
Where is the support? So this is the support the person got. Okay, just using the support, see how the person will cash out. This is where the person got the support from. Let's go down there to see which support. I don't know why it's going up. Let's say the support got here and now it had this. The person is going to stand on this to buy. See the number of buy, like how the buy went from
Mhm.
here, went up, 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 up. See where the KSI is. It got here and now decided to, calm down. Definitely,
Wow.
there is a resistance from that end that is also coming to cross this line. And when it got to your line here, you also follow the trend and you buy. Is it okay? Any question? Do you have any questions before we go to any questions? So have you seen now how people use only the support and resistance to trade, and even
Yeah.
with fair value gaps? We believe that wherever you get your fair value gap, market will come there and go back.
Mhm.
Is that okay? Any
Yes,
question?
please.
So this is how I trade. Let me take one trade and analyze it for you guys to see. Okay. And even before that, you have to know how to enter it on your trading app. That one, have you learned
Yeah.
something about it? You know how to enter it. Okay. You place your
So,
order.
yes, but is it the
Let's say,
market execution?
yeah, how to make money from the market after analyzing this. Okay. So
Yes,
after
I learned it,
analyzing
but I would
this
have
now,
loved to. I would have loved to learn more.
yeah, you should learn. You know, I
Because
cannot
I
always
saw
be
that they
here.
said
So
there is market execution and there's sell stop and something like that. but I
I
don't
don't
know
know
which one is the
what to
best.
talk about. Let's continue. Okay, Eunice. Hi, Nima. Nima's TV. Please, after this, send me the link. Okay. Okay, please. I don't know. You don't know which one, my dear.
I think she's talking about the entry,
Oh, the
how to
entry.
enter
Okay.
this.
I
Yes.
think the entry is the next thing that we are going to do. So try to do the um what do we call it? Oh, Eunice even wrote it. The stream yard. So the unit will come up. Both of you will use your phone, then you enter it yourself. Otherwise, if I do it,
Okay.
even I'm using my phone, and if I do it for
Okay.
you, you will never know how to go about it. So I want both of you to be there. You get your phone, then yeah, this is the trading view, right? Yeah, that's the trading
Yes.
view. Yeah, so that's the one we use to analyze.
Yes.
Yeah, you can't trade from here.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we use the MT something.
five.
MT5. Yeah.
You can use
Eunice.
you can use
Let,
Vantage, you can use any, but most of the times people use that MT, which is okay. So you see now only the resistance and this can give you a trade. So let's see how I trade. Let me use whatever that I've taught you to put in a trade, and you will see that it's so easy. But when you get to the market alone, you don't know where to start from. So you have to keep practicing. Oh, hi, Mark. Okay, let's start
hello,
again from the
Mark.
beginning because I wasn't here. Okay, Mark. Yeah. For the love I have for you, I'm going to teach you again. Maybe when we meet again, Mark, I'm going to start teaching you everything that we learned today. Trust me. Trust me, Mark. Just trust me. Okay, so let me use that. So in my trade, I don't know, have I talked about? Oh, let's talk about trade line. Then
Okay.
I want to talk about it one after the other, okay? Then after that, all what I'm teaching you, whether support and resistance, fair value gap,
Okay.
I've told you that where we got our support and resistance is the same as what?
Please come in.
Where we get our support here and resistance is the same as
I where we
after
get the support.
and resistant. We also call it, yeah.
The resistance you said other
Yeah,
block.
other block Eunice. Thank you, Eunice. Hey, my Eunice is learning. Oh, hey, ja. God, oh, hey, God. Eunice is learning. Oh, see, other block. Everybody clap for Eunice. Wow.
Pa,
Yeah,
pa, pa,
Mark,
pa,
how are
pa.
you doing? Good evening. How are you doing? How has your day been? Yeah, thank you so much for coming, Mark. Hmm. So yeah, that's good. So Eunice is learning like that. Yes. So as I said, it's also called other block. Okay. And the last
Yeah.
candle after the break, did I tell you break of structure?
Yes, please.
Yeah. But now why am I watching? I just want to see your face in case you are sleeping. Oh, there's lights out or something.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
here.
let me see your beautiful face. Meanwhile, I don't want you to see my face. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. This is totally bully, but I'm sorry. Yeah. What again? Yeah. So as Eunice said, that our support and resistance is the same as uh another block. So do you know anything about breaker blocker? I think the first time we met, that's what we said.
Yes, please.
So how do you understand breaker blocker before I explain it? Hi, Mark. You're
So
welcome, Mark. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. And how are you doing? How is your son? How is family?
hi every
So say it fast before Eunice
so
type it there.
so breaker blocker is
Mhm.
like when the market is going up on an upward trend, then all of a sudden the trend changes.
Yeah, that's true. That's breaker blocker though. But let me explain it in this way so that you don't really get it wrong, because it will get to a time in the market. Hey, God, oh, God. Yes, that was what I was going to say. Put it in your
Okay,
mind, okay, that after your break of structure, that is when you will see a breaker blocker so well.
okay,
You will see a breaker blocker so well. But that is after a break of structure occurred. Eunice, why did you delete it?
Yes, why
That's it.
now? I'm even writing what you said. And
She has trust issues. So,
because MK said that's why she wanted to say, so I was writing it.
yeah. So, after a break of structure, okay, that last candle that took the structure upward instead of breaking the structure is called the breaker blocker. So, maybe you might get stuck. So, let me show you. Um,
The last,
Kindly watch it well. So you see, let's say that I've gotten my, you know, a break of structure to you don't just get it at anywhere. We have break of structures that are not valid. Anytime that you are breaking structure, from your left is fine to use wick of a candle. But to your right, that is where the market is going, is supposed to get the body of the candle. That gives you a strong break of structure.
okay,
Okay. Anytime it is wick to wick, that means it's not that, strong. But wick
okay,
to body, body to body, that is a very strong break of structure. Let's see, maybe I'll get some here. If you get this break of structure, let me see if I'll get something to do. I'm tired now. So I think I'll close very soon. It has rained here 2 days non-stop. So yeah, it's getting colder. Okay. Eunice, are you there? Eunice got the answer wrong. Mark. Oh my god, Mark. Really? Then Eunice type it again so that I will just watch that. So let's see. Can you see it well? When you
yes,
get a
please.
brick of structure like this, you see this wick. This is the body of the candle, and this is the wick. You
Yeah.
see, it is touching wick and wick.
Hmm.
We consider that to be a break of structure, but I know somebody might come, they will also say it's a break of structure. And yes, it is. But per my analysis and how I do my thing, I prefer you get a break of structure to a full body candle. So
Okay.
even though this is a break of structure, but I'm not going to use it, I want to check in to see a full body candle. And you can't just
Okay.
go and break structures where the market has passed there. You break structures when the market is still ongoing. You don't come back to break a structure. No, 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 no. Your recent market, how the market is going, that's when you look for a break of structure, right? But this one, I'm just using it to teach you. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
So see, and um, when you are breaking structure from the left, you can get a nice, kind of order block here.
Okay.
It looks like it's giving you order block, right? When you get
Yeah.
it, it's strong. I can use this wick, but when it's coming to the right side, I should get a body. So
Okay.
putting it here, this one will just go straight to the body of this candle. It tells me that I'm getting a good break of structure.
Okay.
That is mine. So I don't know whether the other guy is here. He might also have his. This is a break of
Mm-hmm.
structure. That is mine. You can also
Okay.
research about that. Hi, Ray. Okay. So you
Hooray.
could get a lot of break of structure, but I think breaking it to a full body candle is the best. MK Mama. If there are two break of structure, should one use the current or previous or please? The current break of structure because we are moving forward, okay?
Mm.
I'm just using this to teach, but let's go. This is where the candle has got into. So you look for a break of structure anywhere here. It's supposed to be breaking structures, giving you clue of where the market is going and giving you clue of where you will get your, order block and other stuff that you are going to use it for the market. You can't go and get break of structure here. Meanwhile, you are here
Yeah.
and
Mm-hmm.
you are with the market. You should be with the market at least from here coming. Is that okay, Mama Eunice? So this is where I got the break of structure. See? Bless, please, are you watching?
Yes, please.
We believe in the market that when a break of structure comes like that, the market has to end because there has been a break of structure. It's like the support and the resistance, then the market comes down. But if we see another candle moving up from where the break of structure occurred, then we call it order block.
Okay.
So the same candle that gave us break of structure is the other block. You see, we believe
Okay.
that after a break of structure, see this when the market is in a I'm tired now.
So the
When the
other block
market
is the okay.
when the market is in an uptrend that's bullish,
Mm.
it's breaking structures up. Okay. So when you get a break of structure down, it means something has happened. So see, the market is coming down, that is bearish, and it is breaking structure from here. See the curves are from here to here, it breaks
Mm.
structure from here to here, it breaks structure from here to here, it breaks structure. It can also
Yeah.
break some here from here to there. But this one, it is the market is coming down. So we believe when this one break this structure, it was supposed to come down and it will be
Yeah.
going down. But here it broke this structure. Instead of coming down straight, it went up. So this candle that causes the break of structure direction is the breaker blocker.
Okay.
So the candle that we got the break of structure is the breaker blocker. And normally you will get fair value gap in the same, if let's say the market was here, we just came to the market and the market has started but has gotten to this part where I'm drawing the, it has gotten to this part, okay? The strategy that I use that I should get all my analysis there, and it gives me a very, very strong start. I'll get my break of structure here. I'll get my um what am I saying? A breaker blocker right here. And don't forget that there is a fair value gap in between it. From this red candle, see, I told you fair value gaps are formed from three candles. We have
Yeah.
one candle, two, and this red three. Now this red got to here, it didn't come down. This candle got to here, leaving this whole fair value gap. Leaving this whole fair value gap. So that is when I am going to take my trade. But even that, we have another app that could tell you you are in a good zone. So you see, okay, maybe it is because I'm teaching you, that's why I feel like it's not difficult. So it's something that you can, cash out from there. So easy if you are able to get it. Needs a bold step to start. I've told
Okay.
you, if you get your, even when I'm teaching you like this, you can go to the market and feel like, okay, I have also gotten something for myself, then you go by what you think. The market is just there. Just after teaching, you also go to the market to check what is best working for you. Is it the support and resistance? You stick to that. If you think there is a lot in your mind, you stick to your support. Oh, me, I'm just sitting here. I'll draw my triangle till the market comes to me. If I see the market is above this, it has changed character. I will wait. If it has changed character, I need to see where the market will get to and come back. Me, I'm sitting on this support. I'll draw my triangle. When the market comes to me, then I buy. See, it goes to this triangle and there was this huge buy. You see, it's so easy, but it's not always like that. So I go by that. So that is a breaker blocker. So let's see if we will get to know another candle that had, okay. So see, in this market from here, from here, bear in mind, in as much as I'm teaching you a breaker block, I just have a fair idea that is the candle that changed the trend. Okay.
Yes.
But normally you're supposed to get your break of structure, then the market that continue, because after every break of structure, the market continues like that. So it's, if it do not continue with that, then there is a problem. So where I have put this, which one do you think is a breaker blocker? From here, the market is going like that, like that, like that, came down, and now it has changed its direction altogether. So which one do you think is a breaker blocker? What's the time?
It's 10:24 here.
Oh, don't worry, I just checked.
Okay.
So what's a breaker? Sorry, I'm using this, okay? Here, the market was an uptrend like that. supposed to continue like this, like this. So which was the last candle that came changing the direction?
It be the red.
If I point on
The
it,
last.
you say yes if that's the
The
color.
last.
That's is it this one?
No, please.
This one. But what's the trend of the market before that happened?
It was bullish.
Yeah, it was bullish. Okay. Is it this one? And don't forget, every bullish, where the support comes, there shouldn't be, it shouldn't overcome this, the first sweep that happened. Like when it's going like that and comes down, this downward shouldn't pass this. If it's
Mhm.
past this, that's when there has been a change of character, right? So see, the
Yes.
trend was going, it came here, it is not come above the, below this. It came up, it came here, it is not. It came here
Yes.
and it's supposed to at least get to here like this,
Yes.
then goes up. It was going up here. Can you see that? It
Yes.
got here, came here, it came up here. It wanted to go up with this candle, and all of a
Yes.
sudden it changed. So which one? The upward. Eunice, it is this one or that one?
Yes, that one. That one would be the.
This one?
Yes, because it's the last candle.
You mean this is the last candle that changed? But this candle didn't overshadow this. It didn't come down here. So it's still bullish. The
Yes.
only thing that will make this candle change is when the candle has come down this instead of reaching here and going. So the last candle that made these happen is the breaker blocker. So you have to find it first. Let me give you time. I'm giving you 10 seconds.
Last candle.
I know it's not clear, but you could see whether red or so. No need to open your eyes widely like that. Just tell me the red candle, then I'll be pointing. The white, the blue, the
Yes.
green, the whatever.
I think it's the red.
Which one? This red?
Yeah.
This red?
No, please.
This?
No. No. Yes.
Why do you think it's this candle that changed it?
Because from there, the trend didn't go upwards.
The trend went up. It's here. Can't you see?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the trend came. See, there is a candles here.
Uh,
Oh,
then
Eunice.
should be the other red. Because it was
Yes.
supposed to go, but it didn't.
So it was
Yes.
this candle.
Yes.
The only thing is just get the idea. You can use this or
Okay.
that candle. It's fine. But it's this
Okay.
candle that changed the direction.
Okay.
This candle is not this one or
Yeah.
this, because this is over this and this.
Okay.
Because this candle went up, came down. It didn't overthrow this. It went up, came down. It was fine with this. There was a wick here. It was fine with this. So from here, it's supposed to, why? From here, it's supposed to,
Mm,
it's supposed to continue and go up, then come, go up. But it did not go, it just continued. So this become a breaker blocker. So see,
Okay.
I will get my break of structure here. This is a full body candle, so it can break it. I'll get my break of
Okay. Yeah.
structure here. And within my break of structure, I also have a fair value gap here because this tiny candle was just here. This was just here. So this is a fair value gap. I
Okay.
will draw my fair value gap like that from here. Let's say this is a new setup that I'm doing.
Mm.
So I will draw. So guys, I beg God, this is my personal analysis. You can also use yours, what works for you. So that's why I'm telling you that I will use um break of structure, and this is order block. The same place I'm taking the tenor. I have gotten an order
Mm.
block here. I have getting, oh no, sorry, no. Oh yeah, order block here.
Yeah.
Breaker blocker here. I've gotten break of structure here and a fair value gap here. It means this area is very solid for me. So, I've told you some people will just take this support and draw, thinking the market will come. But I will take the fair value gap because I have my support resistance here. I have my
Mm.
other block here. I have a break of structure here. And I feel like this block is very strong, having it all. So I would draw my line like that. Let's see if we will get a market, even though I don't know whether there was a market. But I'm going to wait till my market. Why is it going up? Till my market is filled up, as we just did the what do we call it? The support and resistance. Is that okay? Do you get it? Do
Yes.
you
Yes.
get it?
Yes, Mama.
You are
We are
getting it
getting it.
so cheaper in
Thank you very much.
understanding. But some people are passing through a lot with a whole year not understanding anything, even with my gap.
Wow.
So let's
Wow.
see. This is it. Okay. Some other people will take the support, but that is how I trade. I make sure I'm getting all these five things. After that, I'll go and get an indicator and I'll show you. So this
Okay.
is it. From where I took my fair value gap, this is it. So let's go and see if by God's grace we will get a candle in the name of God. See, can you see the candle?
Yeah.
I hope Eunice is there. Oh God. Yeah, this lady.
She's here.
You see, I stretch it and I've been coming. I'm not meeting any markets. So I have to steady my
Yes.
market so it get to my zone. This is my strategy that I feel like market should come to my zone before I do it. So if you
Okay.
get your market on top, you it depends on you how you see the market. So immediately the market comes to my zone here. You see, I told you every gap in the market should be filled. So you see, it is
Field. Yeah.
filling that gap and it has gotten to my fair value gap. I'll just sell it from here. This has closed, so from Monday it will continue. So by then I've taken my
Yeah.
profits from here to there and I'm done.
Wow.
Is it difficult? Do you understand? Any question? I think I'm tired.
Well, this waiting, you don't really know how long it will take, right? You just have to
It
be
depends on the
patient.
time. If you take a day trade, it means the whole day. So you just wait when it get to your zone. You just keep on checking when it get to your zone because you don't know when a candle will go sharp and it will get to your zone. So you keep on checking it.
Okay.
And we have some people we call aggressive 10. they can't wait. So they do just 15 minutes. So every 15
Mm.
minutes, a candle will form. Then through the 15 minutes, you can use whatever I'm teaching you now to get it. You can use the fair value gaps. You can use the support and resistance, that's demand and supply. You can use the breaker blocker. You know, the order block is the same as the support and resistant. And some people also use the breaker blocker. You see this
Okay.
market. Let me show you. This is how some people use the breaker blocker. That's so easy for them. If you're not getting it, let me know, because when you go to the market, because I'm with you now, that's why you feel like you know. But when I leave you, you see the
It's
market
very
was
true.
showing like that, like that, like that,
Mm.
like that. Supposed to come here, then go back. But it break the chain and we got our breaker blocker. Normally, the one that you get the breaker blocker, you still get a fair value gap. Let's say if the market was to be here, this has
Mm.
become a breaker blocker. I hope you know that, because it has
Yeah.
come down and will surpass this.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
with this, we still get our fair value gap in this small. This small candle didn't close with it. It gave us a wick till here, and this candle was here. So from here, from here to here was a fair value gap if we are to say the market was somewhere here. So it means definitely
Mm.
the market will fill this fair value gap.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say the market go here. You know, this market has closed. But let's say the market go
Yes.
here. It got into your fair value gap and you decided to buy. See, the buying has gone up, 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 up till this year.
Mm.
So when you know the trend of the market, you go, if it's bullish, you go bullish. If it's bullish, you come down to search for some fair value gaps, then you get your entry, then you buy from there. You feel like market should come and meet you in your fair value gap. Then you buy with the market, knowing that you have gotten a strong confirmation that I am certain now. But in as much, you know, this that we are learning, it was bullish, but we are getting a lot of buying in. You know that
Yes.
we checked from 3 months time, 1 month time, 1 week, 1 day, and it's bullish market. But see, we still get a buy trade in it because it's between two people, buyers and sellers. So the fact that it's bearish doesn't mean that you wouldn't get a bullish. Okay, I don't know if you get me. That is why we use a higher time frame to check where the market is going. Because sometimes if you come to the lower time frame, that is the 15 minutes, if 15 minutes is just here, if 15 minutes is just here and you come and meet the market just here, you might think the market is bearish until you go to a higher time frame that you know that it is going up. We have down, down, down here. But if it's 15 minutes and you come, you might think, this market is bearish, it's coming down. But then it's not bearish. So use higher time frame to check the trend of the market. Come down, check your analysis. Be checking the fair value gap, the breaking of where structures are breaking, your order blocks, the support and resistance. Check for all those things to see if it's valid. Then after that, you come on maybe 4 hourly lower time frame to look at your entry point. That will be a different story next time somewhere. So you can use only this to trade and get your money. See, you can use just your support and resistance to just trade. This your support when you draw it from here to here. Imagine, we believe that is when I always tell you wait for your confirmation. Wherever you put your cursor, you wait for your confirmation. Don't say that market got here. It did not come to your zone, but you still want to buy. Just wait for a
Mm-hmm.
valid confirmation. This is your other block that is holding you tight, and you drill it from here. Make sure market has gotten to you. But when it gets to you, you don't just buy. You just wait for your valid confirmation, because when it got here, instead of going straight, it came down a bit, and anything can happen at this era. It can still continue down, but then you will say market will buy. So after waiting for all
Mm-hmm.
this, you saw this bullish candle. It means there has been a confirmation that market is going to go up. And market, all this is cashing out money. Money, if I tell you it's money. See, those people doing trading, they are buying cyber. Even me, I have to be buying a lot of things for my own self. Because see, Kojo Forest and Frederick, a lot of people buying cyber truck and other stuff. It's trading.
Yeah.
It's not, it's trading. One of my guy was like, I'm not doing any other job apart from trading. They chop him, he chops some. That's what I'm saying. When you do trade, make sure you get all the trade positively. If not, at least one supposed to be your loss, then the other two supposed to be your wins, your profit to counter the loss.
Okay.
Just get the knowledge, get your laptop.
Mm.
You trade, you sleep, trading is on its way. By the time you get up, you like like it's just that when you are in the market, it needs a lot of attention. Your brain's supposed to work. This thing I'm teaching you that you feel like just 2 days. Now, even you both, you might think you feel like you know trading now. Do you know the number of years? Like, so you guys are really lucky, because there
Yes.
is no way, I don't think there is no way you are going to know anything about trading. Because if they are teaching it online, it's difficult. It's
Mm.
literally
True.
difficult. But it is well. Know it, and that's it. You see Naomi buying Cybertruck, go buy
Hey.
lands, getting, building churches for the pastors,
Amen.
building a lot of stuff, getting lands. It's just trading. Trade for money. I don't discourage, my dear. There is money in trading. Hmm. God, I beg you, as Eunice always say, unless you're a lazy person, unless you are lazy, it is a life saving, it is a life changing. Mhm. It is a life changing. I just come place my order in a day, 1 week, leave it for it to run. Some people do it 15 minutes. I leave it for it to run. Sit at my comfort zone, eat, do my analysis, teach people, then wait for my profit. Is it difficult? It's not. Though when you are
So you
calculating
usually
is
set loss, stop loss,
what?
and take profit.
Yeah, that's a different thing altogether.
Mm.
Now you have known the market a little bit. So when you open your laptop, at least you know where the market is going, you know the time frames, you know whether it's bullish, bearish, you know where it is breaking structures, you know your order block, you know where you can place a trade, whether with your support and resistance, with your fair value gaps, getting a very valid fair value gaps. Normally, if you get a fair value gap on the same order block, that means that block is very solid. Market will come there. And there is one particular thing that one, maybe I will show you maybe the last. I'll show you maybe later, and that is going to. If I show you that, then you guys are not going to trade with your mind working. You still be using that. Then that's going to show you, my dear, do this, then you follow. And I don't think I'll show you now. Maybe later in life, then I show you. I want you guys to crack your brains to get your strategy.
Okay.
Get your strategy. After getting your strategy, you get to the market. You know what you are doing. A lot of people have their own, very own strategies. And if you keep getting a lot of strategies, it tends to distract you in the market. So go by what you understand and what you have accepted, and you
Okay.
keep practicing. With the demo, you practice, practice, practice makes a man perfect. Don't practice, you don't become perfect. Breakthrough with your own strength. Breakthrough with your own strength. No jokes. If you are serious, you'll get there. Even when you are even chopping the money, I will not see you anywhere to chop some. So me that I'm just trying, by this time I should be sleeping.
Wow. We are so
So
grateful
why
for
should
it.
I, MK, be forcing you to learn before you learn? Meanwhile, it's you that is going to, Africa mentality. Oh my goodness. But sometimes it baffles me. It's so strange that you need to force someone. Meanwhile, you know, this world is not waiting for you. We are still growing. And if you have something to do, you have to do it now. The world is just turning upside down. A lot of things happening. You need not to wait.
Mm.
The time is now. It's now that you have fresh blood. Everything is fresh. So now that you can strive through. If you don't do it now, you can't do it. You cannot do it later. You might think, but then you've wasted a lot of time.
Yeah.
Time wasted can never be occupied again. So use your time well, learn, break through. Hmm.
Amen.
You guys, when I'm saying breakthrough, maybe you guys don't know. When you are breaking through something, it's difficult, but
Yeah.
breakthrough. If you break through, you will not die. Still go on. Breakthrough. Tell yourself, I just put the video that I posted on private not long ago. I said, say positive thing about yourself that I blessed. I can do it. Don't wait
I
for
can
somebody
do
to
it.
tell you you are blessed. Before me, I don't wait to. I know I'm blessed. Those that people say it is just, a confirmation and addition. But I know. I know who
Yeah.
I am. I don't sit for somebody to tell me you are I am blessed because I'm working for it and I know. Who told you hard work does not pay? Hard work pays. And it's so nice to, struggle through, sit down, check your back and your struggles, and know that you have just passed through. That is when you clap your hands, give God thanks. I think I'm done. That's why I'm saying all this.
Okay. We are
So, yeah,
learning. We're still
just
learning.
focus. When everybody is saying you cannot do it, that is when you break through. Let me tell you, it's not like we don't, I love God, but how the system is going, you guys, Destiny Helper nowadays, they take bribes. Instead of them helping us, they take bribe because we are in a corruption world now. So there is no Destiny Helper anywhere. It's you. When are you also breaking through to become someone's Destiny Helper? There is no Destiny Helper anywhere. The one that's supposed to help you wants you to pay bribe first. And you are telling me this, gone were the days that destiny helpers, you just see somebody, the person, God's, favor will just let the person love you and do a lot of things. Yes, it's there, but corruption and bribes and other stuff have taken place. Before you will go there, you have to pay money. But meanwhile, the person is a destiny helper. So take your mind out of it and work for your own self.
Yeah.
Work for your own self. How will you just know how will you feel? I'm just teaching you guys for free because I feel like it's something you all can do it to fetch money to take care of the family that you are from. So that is why sometimes if I don't have time, and if I'm getting time out of my busy schedules and I don't see the seriousness, then oh my God, that is when my anger issues come. I have anger issues, but not always. That is when my anger issues try to strike. The devil just tests me with that water because if you want me, you will get me there. When I stop everything to support you and I don't see, I feel like you've wasted my time. That is when those beasts in me start to rise up and I start to behave anyhow. But that is not me, honestly. Bless, that is not me. Just that, the way I am when I take you to be part of me. Always my husband will say, calm down. I don't know, that is me. But normally when I'm sitting there, I'll be like, yeah, he says, calm down. I have to cool up. Because I feel like everybody can get to where I am. Like I've done it so everybody. But don't forget, nobody or most of the people can never think through like how I do. But when I get somebody and if the person is, that's why I don't normally even take numbers and other stuff. But if I get to know you, I feel like you have to run with me. We have to run a race and it becomes a fight. If I don't see you doing well, if I see you chopping your everyday salary, like you don't have budget, like I'll just, that's why I don't have, like, I have workers and that's it. But within that, yes, I talk to people. Why not? I talk to people. We are people. I talk to people. The beauty of your hard work is when you can buy everything for yourself, you can look after yourself, and even if you are not there, your kids, your brothers are going to make you proud because you left something for them. Life is not always about this. One day we will all die and leave it behind. But we
Yeah.
still mention Konfanochi in a lot of people's name because of the legacy and everything they did for us. You have a family, so if you are not there, somebody, let's consider maybe 100 years to come. You will not be on this earth. I will not be here because we cannot be and do you want to be 120 years blessed? Do you want to be 120 years still on this earth? You'll be tired. Have you think of that? That a time will come. Somebody has to come and replace you. All these things you should think about and do your things first so that you leave it there, go and rest. Your great great grandmother, where is she or he? Where is your great great, let's say three great, because definitely there was one that gave birth to your great grandmother, your grandmother, your mother, and now you. Do you even remember them? I don't think your great 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 grandmother is there. The same thing will
Maybe.
happen to you. So are you going to still die in one thing that you have been praying for, and you see even your ah, your body will be lying there and be frowning the face because you couldn't get enough and now you've died and gone. Yeah, you couldn't get enough. So when people are coming to cry, when the funeral is on and they are coming to cry, they will see you frowning your face. Why? Because you couldn't, enjoy the life God gave. God has given us the strength and the wisdom. God has given, if you cannot do it, bear in mind that struggle will never. I have struggled before. It's not just like MK, everybody saying MK, MK. MK was just there and money rain on MK. When everybody was buying clothes, I was doing budget.
Mm.
If I start to be saying all this, I became so emotional and talk much because I was telling Eunice on COVID Live, like, this is my field. I feel like this is my gift. I can talk
Mm.
for hours over how to shape a person, how to become a successful person. When people were buying big, big shoes, I was doing budget. I was not eating. I was putting
Mm.
a lot, like I eat like quarter of the money, then save everything. And now I'm getting everything back. What can't I buy now? I can go everywhere I want and buy goals. Like what? And trust me, the people that the time that they were around and they were buying stuff, going to parties and after. I'm not saying it's not the best, but my dear, know where if you know where you are coming from, your idea and perception of life is different. Know that.
Yeah.
Know that walk in it. We came in a very good background. Christian home, walk with it. You came in just walk with it. God says that you pray. Nobody will understand you. You will understand yourself because you know where you are coming. So why do you let people change you? Meanwhile, you are not changing people.
Mm.
Me, sometimes I feel even so, I don't know the word to use, but I don't know. I don't know whether in this word, MK's mind is different. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like my mindset is different. If you come, how like you are not from Despite and other big big people house, so definitely the struggle is already with you as you were born, unless the favor of God somebody sees you. Otherwise, you are born and bound to fix things. You are the leader of the family. Like you are the leader of the family. If you like it or yes, you are the leader. If the leader is weak, if the head is weak, the tail is weak. You just tell yourself, I am going to be an example for everyone to follow. Me in my family, we don't go beyond though. Hey, if I don't pray, my brother is there to pray for me. My sisters are there to my brother. Like everybody is there. We are supporting each other. Why? Because the head stood up for us.
Mm.
It's not all family that will get that, but you that is listening to me, you have that opportunity. So you have to stand for the family. When people are going to parties, I was learning this. I was learning this thread, and now those that were going for the parties, buying a lot of things, they still come to me. MK, teach me. MK, teach. And this is when I tell them I don't have time. I don't know why I'm still teaching you because it's 12 and I have to be sleeping by now. You
Yeah.
see, that is how life is. No life. When struggle comes, when you need something so badly, that is when we feel like we are struggling.
Yeah.
Have you learned to leave everything to God and move on? You've not learned, have you done it before? Because of your mental health. Some you cannot leave, even those rich people in life and other stuff. You cannot live without no struggle. Like struggles challenge us to do more.
Yeah.
It's fine, Eunice. Thank you. When struggle comes, it challenge me. When if I feel so like, if I see that the tension is too much, I just mostly I pray in my toilet, like my bathroom. I kneel down, like I kneel down, open up a worship music. I feel like giving God a thanks when I see there has been a shift of struggling in my life. You think I don't struggle? I do. But I can't leave letting everybody know that the struggle is on me. I just put the struggle there. When I come, we struggle together, but I'll still leave the struggle to do what I'm supposed to do. Come back with the struggle. We talk, we talk, we talk. If you think you cannot leave, I stay with you till struggle gets fed up with me. It will come. Jesus Christ passed through. The Jesus that we are mentioning the name as the Christian passed through it. The storms came when they were traveling. The storm came. Everybody was shouting, Jesus, Jesus. But when Jesus came in it, he just stood up, stretched the arm, and everything was quiet. Who do you call when you are in? Like, one thing you do in life that I've seen and I've testified is when you see struggle coming on your way, make struggle looks like a fool. Pretend you've not seen that struggle. You see, you are not getting any money to pay your fees. And it tends to be a struggle you are going to cry out for, like, God, why me? Why me? You wake up, you go out, talk to people, do whatever it takes you to do. If you are still not getting it, come back, sit with struggle. I did not get it. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to kill? Nobody. No. Do you want me to kill myself because I'm not getting free? I don't care if because God, if you want me to just talk to God. Now I'm not getting it. I've gone out. You said we should work. I've done any so. I'm not getting it. So if you want me to stay home, that's fine. But if you think I have to, finish this and it's in your will, then let your will be done. But I will do what is expected of me. My dear, don't wait till time is going. We are still growing. We are still growing. Get it now. Use it. When you die, you go. Everybody will leave this world one day. So when you see people struggling, when you get out from stage one, and if you see like you found yourself in stage two, then you look back and see people in that stage one. Just support them with your little, pray for them, then move on. Anytime you do that, you move forward and those people can never run and superpass you. That is me. Just do what works for you. You wake up in the morning, you bless your family. Before even you bless other family, bless yourself. Put your hand on your chest. Make the day know that you have risen again. So you are going to control the day. You are going to pass through it even if hardship comes. You put your hand on the floor that your body, that earth will not accept your body now. So if there is any accident or anything that awaits you over there whilst you are going out, you do something. Have your own spiritual environment. Pray to God. Don't joke, oh, my dear. The struggle is real. And those that are, after us, those that want us to fall down, a lot of eyes on us. So why do you sleep without sleeping? Who are you? You sleep without praying, sorry. Who are you? A lot of people are learning this trading and it's so difficult. They always have an answer for it. You have gotten it for free. What again do you need? Just a small push and you'll be in your room. Instead of crying for the struggle to get wings, praise God and cry. Worship God. We have a lot of worship songs. There is
Yeah.
one song when I hear, like, all my life you have been faithful. I was like, immediately I hear that song, I have to kneel down, raise my hands, and tell God that I'm so faithful and, you know, I'm so faithful to, like, I'm so grateful for whatever God is doing in my life. Don't just wake up and walk in your environment like that. We wrestle not against flesh and, you know, blood, but against principalities. You don't just sleep. Oh, you don't. You think wearing your things, I'm going here, I'm going here. A lot of people, not all glitters. Those laughing with you. Like if you have eyes, you don't have eyes to see. You don't even dream. You don't have nose to smell. You don't have ears to hear from God. You too, you don't pray. Eh, well, mm, then
That's
it's a hard
problem.
situation for you because then your struggle will last for long. Yes, so Eunice. So please, I always tell you the only message I will leave for you is fasten your belt, stand up for the family, look unto God, the author and the finisher of your faith, the final finisher of your faith. After fasting your belt well, pray to God, do whatever you are doing. You know you don't have help anywhere, but you believe God for a change one day. So you
Yeah.
need to face your struggles. Don't let the struggle over you. Face it and move forward. The Lord is our keeper. It is well. Yeah,
Amen.
it is well. So from today onwards, always say good things. I am blessed. I don't know where
Blessed.
this is going to come from, but I believe you, God. Then you move on. Don't even think of it again. If you are able to get the basic things, eating, bathing, that basic things, it's enough to face the struggle the next day.
Yeah.
God is good.
Man, oh, he's so good.
Yeah, God is good. So I will not just I have done my best and you have to do more because I can never be here like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have to do more. Yes, exactly, Eunice. It's very much enough, MK Mama.
Yeah.
So tell yourself you are going to do it. Oh my God, please. If you are able to trade very well, like,
Amen.
like, you know,
Going to
nowadays,
trade with more wings.
yeah, you can just check nowadays people that have been engaging in stupid things and other stuff are there. Those that are poor. Gone were the days the poor was so quiet and doesn't go into places that the person will have problem. But now the world has turned on. So you have to tell yourself, if you are poor, you not get to the top. That's the truth.
Yeah, true.
If you are poor, hey God, you will never get to the top. How are you even going to give your kids, your siblings a good education for them to meet big people? Because when the poor is, instead of them to go to school, they are going in for mango. Then the rich will send their kids to big, big schools, meeting the same rich people. So they meet themselves, leaving we the poor
Yeah.
there. You see? So you should start me. I am standing for my kids, my family. Fine. I shouldn't even say my family because everybody is striving for their own.
Yeah.
I am standing for my kid, leaving the best for my kids so that tomorrow when I'm not there, they will have a good place or, you know, they will be good. It's enough for them to be okay. But in all, I'm not leaving my own self why I came on this earth to do. I've not reached anywhere. So I'm still fighting forward. Even the rich are still fighting. Then we, the middlemen and the middle people and the poor. You see nowadays even those that are poor are the ones that sleeps a lot. They don't like anything doing. So if you want to get to the top, you don't have anybody in life. You have only God. And God has given you the strength. So move it. Fix everything that needs to be fixed. Pray and move forward. So it is well. It is well. Okay?
Amen.
It is well. It is well.
Thank you.
Yes, Eunice. If somebody is poor and going to LA, it takes God's grace to pick that person with this corruption error. It takes God's grace to pick that person from that place for the world to know that person. Or else the rich are going to continue to see the rich. See East Legon. It's rich people that are there. If not rich, at least middle people and other stuff.
Yeah.
So before you will see them to marry, or before they will come down to marry Amy, it means the grace of God has taken or the favor.
The grace
And
of
even
God.
now, the poor people, they are not praying, they are not doing anything. They have accepted the fact that they are poor, so they are okay. No, don't accept your situation. Break that barrier and move forward.
Yeah. The rich marry the rich.
Yeah. So that is that. My ladies, my people, work hard.
Wow.
It will never kill you. I have worked hard. I do everything by myself. I cook every day as a normal human being. You cook
Wow.
once, then you put the rest in the fridge. You still say you get tired. You are just a teacher. You still say you are tired. Me, I'm a nurse. I trade. Trade needs a lot of concentration. So when I'm trading, I don't like any disturbances. That's why I don't even give my numbers that because I'm making money
Yeah.
for my business and my kids, my family. I looked after 5 kids. I have a husband. Aside, I have a family. I have to check on them if they are doing well. I
Wow.
cook. I make sure kids are looking okay, looking good. I have to make sure I've bond with them. I clean my own house. I scrub 3 bathrooms. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm just letting you know that your struggle, I don't think it's a struggle because the one you think
Wow.
the person is rich, having it all, is even struggling than you, but you might not know. These are what I go through, but I still move it. You scrub 1 bathroom, you say you are tired. Me, I have to scrub Wednesdays, I have to scrub Friday, I have to scrub either Saturday or Sunday because I have 3. And
Wow.
all the 3 has to be clean. I make sure everything is in order because I have toddlers, I have kids. They put anything anywhere. I'm always making sure everything is in order, making sure they are okay, going to buy food stuff, stocking the fridge, making sure they are ready for Monday school, ironing the like. So what do you want to
Wow.
tell me that you are struggling? I am struggling than you. I still comes. back to the community, not the YT community I'm talking about, but community, to give what I have struggled for to them. And you still sit there watching me. You can't get up from
Hmm.
that feet. You still waiting so that I'll bring you another. Come on. Come on. Mhm. So what will you tell
Hmm.
me? Don't I struggle than what you think? The only difference is I am in the UK, and so what? And you are,
Hmm.
if you still trade, you will get it in dollars. I also get it in dollars. It's just that some people have decided not to trade, but they want you to give.
Hmm.
They want you to dash them, give something to them, but they are not ready to find out. MK,
Yeah.
like MK, like they are not ready. I'll be like, you people, this white is sometimes.
Hmm. It's not
Sometimes I
easy.
just check you guys. I still come on YT to chat to make, with all what I'm doing and my struggle and my tiredness, I still come to YT to make people happy, smile, just give them what they want to just be good. Why? Meanwhile, within a day, I struggle more than them, but I still come back to give. So ask
Hmm.
yourself, what at all are you doing in a day that you feel like you are so exhausted? You are building a
God.
house, walking from
Hmm.
your house that you stay to where you are building or having your project is a problem. You go one, you come back, you are tired and you are giving up.
Hmm.
No, no. If I tell you a lot of things, like a lot of things, like a lot of things on my monitor. Eunice, I beg you, that's not you. Oh. I was just giving an example. I knew you were going to laugh, but that was not you. Oh. It just came. Eh, yes, before Eunice would say, hey, this one be me, oh, MK. No. Eunice, by the time you finish this building, you will just look back and just laugh at the struggle. Like, it's either you will cry to show your gratitude to God. You see, show your gratitude. God, I didn't know that I can do this, but I did it. This is so
Yeah.
beautiful with you, God, and my effort. This is so beautiful. Instead of you to cry, sit down to have plans. Second thought, how is it going to help? How am I going to do? Because aside all these that I'm doing, aside all these that I'm doing, keeping kids, keeping home, keeping a husband, I still have business that I have to look, because this trading money, if I don't invest in business, it means I'll pile this money, pile this money, pile this money, and wouldn't know what to
Yeah.
do. You have to invest in businesses. If there is no car that if I want to buy for my, the last time I traded and I got a huge money, that's when I was in Sandy's life and I was telling. Immediately I got that, I just hold my husband's hand. We went to a car shop. We bought a car because my car had an accident. We just bought a car, no stress.
Wow.
Why? Because I'm eating some of my sweat. When you guys are sleeping, I am here in my room praying and getting
Let's
analysis for the next day. So tell me, you that you feel like you are struggling, and me that you think MK Mama is rich, MK Mama is whatever. Me and you, who is struggling? Whom should even complain?
I know.
Yes, I'm just, giving you some emphasis so that you know that even your struggle is not struggle. The one you
Hmm.
think the person is rich and whatever is even struggling more than you.
Yeah.
Haven't you seen that because of money, somebody has to build a long wall, get wiring, get a lot of things because there is money in the house. When the person sleeps, the person cannot sleep because he feels like armed robbers will come there. But you don't have any wall. Even when the armed robbers come, they will just take you away. So you even sleep more than the one you think the person is rich. The
My
person is
God.
still to settle himself down. Never compare yourself. Just be you and do what you can best. Life, if you don't get to know the person's shoe size, you might think if that shoe was to be you, even when you are
Hmm.
in my situation, you couldn't have even been able to sustain things.
Yeah.
Me, I
Very
cook
true.
every day. You know, we have some people they cook, they put some in fridge and whatever. Unless I'm traveling, I'm going on for a holiday or something. That one, even when I come, the food is still there. They've cooked a different one.
Wow.
Yes,
Very
and this same
grateful.
hand, that 10 hands, getting enough money is the same 10 hands I use to do everything. So when I get the money, I invest it into businesses so that people can just work. Because I know it's not always the lazy people that are there. There are people they've not gotten the opportunity.
Yeah.
And there was this guy, normally I don't want to say it, but that guy, Eunice know him, that came to YT. He when I call where he works in, I ask of him, I would say, can you let me talk to him? The first thing he will say is, and Mama, what I mean, even me, what that and Mama thing. Thank God, thank you, whatever. I said that is not necessary. The only thing is
Hmm.
the if you are able to look after the little you are getting, when you get more, I know you can look after it.
Yeah.
So look after it well, build up. Yes, Eunice, that's lucky.
Okay. Yeah.
I think the name, I don't know why they named him Lucky. That guy is really lucky.
Like,
He struggled through. He came to look at for something. You see the struggle the guy went through.
yeah.
Some own will come in the morning, others will come in the evening, others, and don't forget 6 o'clock comes twice in a day. We have 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening. So if someone's own comes 6 in the morning, don't forget evening is coming and your time will come. But we don't sit there in this corruption era and tell me your time will come. Then you will sit for long.
Hmm.
Get up for yourself. If the moment you are feeling so comfortable, that is when you have to rethink and start doing something. Don't feel so comfortable within a day. If you have anything doing, because an idle man normally Satan gets work for you guys, those people, not you, to do. Yeah, he's a lucky now the lady, the sister is going to school. I don't think they will need anything because he has gotten his first pay and the guy
Wow.
is okay. I even let people buy food. Like he is
Wow.
getting it on. And that guy, I can boldly say that that guy is okay. But from the start, the guy, hmm, if I
Hmm.
tell you where they were staying, I got a picture and everything, even where I don't want to mention name, but this my guy that I've forgotten the name. BB is staying is even far better.
Hmm.
Yes, so struggle. Get it in your hand. Just help others. You know, when you have it in full, you just give it out and it will be multiplying. God will give you more ideas. Stop sitting in your comfort zone. It is very risky to sit in your comfort zone without doing nothing. Think about your life. Yes, Eunice, pushing harder doesn't cost. It's just your strength that you might think you are tired. And when you are tired, you rest. When you are tired, that me, if I get time and I don't rest for even longer time. So if I get time and I'm resting, I just take my bag, leave, go somewhere to have a rest. Before you can leave here to go to someone's country to have a rest, it's money. So if you are not working hard, can you go for holidays? Can you go for that? Can you be able to take care of yourself, giving your kids better education, better treatment? No. So work hard. The time is now. We don't have any time because in this world, the more you are staying older, you begin to be so lazy about certain things. So now you have good and fresh blood. Let's keep on pushing. Learn this trade, and this trade is a life changing. I've always been saying it. This trade can let you buy the type of car you want.
God.
You not even build your house, so you go there, you buy it because you
Wow.
have the money. This trade is going to change you, like it is changing you and changing others. So you choose between being poor and being rich. It depends on you. And being rich is not like getting hundreds of or thousands or billions of money. It's your mindset, your peace of mind. So I will leave you with this. Maybe Eunice will come up. Okay, Eunice, I think I'm done.
So much, MK
So I'll
Mama.
go
We are
down there.
very
Okay,
grateful. Thank you so
I'll go
much.
down there. All right, you're welcome, my dear.
Bless you. Eunice, you they come. God bless you so much, MK Mama. We can't thank you enough for. God bless you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a billion times. You don't know how many times thank you that it will be enough. Thank you so much. Hi, Eunice. Amen. God bless you. Hmm. Those words are really strong. Mom taught me that when women speak, men remain silent. Mark, you are still here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for still being here. I'm very grateful. We are grateful. God bless you, Mark. Mark, I think Mark has been here. Silence. Eunice, you are still in the chat. Come now. MK Mama said you should come up so that she'll see you. Come so that MK Mama. Auntie you.
MK Mama, I don't know. Whenever there is classes like this, there is always
Mm-hmm.
time for reflection. I wouldn't say thinking, but
Nice reflection.
reflection. And that's so good, really. MK
Really
Mama,
need to
your words are so kind and encouraging. It's given power for me personally to push harder. Yeah. It's time to change the narrative.
yeah,
It's time to change the story.
help us so
We are going to keep learning hard. We learn
at
hard.
this point we don't have an excuse. You don't have an
No,
excuse not to make it.
mm-mm. We must learn hard no matter what. Even if we are not understanding, we have to force ourselves and understand.
Yeah,
Yeah. God bless you, MK Mama. God bless you.
I know.
Oh, Naomi, please, you share the link with me, so that I can rewatch it tomorrow. God willing.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, God, it is well. Amen. It is well.
Need a change of
Yeah.
story.
Yeah. Imagine me driving a car. No, first of all, I don't even want a car.
What do
I
you
want,
want?
I want even, I don't know. I want a motorbike.
Hey, Eunice. I beg.
Then from the
Aim higher.
motorbike, you say?
I say aim higher.
Yeah, I mean, from the motorbike,
Anyway, it's
then I
not
move
like
to
when you get
car.
to a point, it depends on the level you are, though. Depends on the level, but
Yes.
when
Then
when
from
we
the
work
motorbike,
hard, yeah,
I move to car.
be strong and tenacious. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
God
Mark.
bless you, my dearies. Amen. Oh.
Meanwhile, Mark, I've not been seeing you. I hope you are doing fine. Yeah, I became on a motorbike. Then from motorbike, I moved to car. Like I want to experience the stages, really. Keke.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I don't mind going into keke business. Yeah, keke business. But for now, I really want to experience all the steps, all the
As for the
steps.
keke,
Keke there for business. Oh, imagine madam coming to school with
okay.
with yellow, yellow. Oh
You know,
my God.
some of the male teachers, they use that to go and work and then
Mm-hmm.
send it to school as well.
Yes. But madams, even ladies don't even write it here. So you and madam sending it to school will mean that the children will have to make fun of you.
Mostly it's the motorbike that the ladies use.
Yes, yes. It's not easy. Oh, Naomi, now the ball is in our court.
Yes, so
However, we decide to play.
the madam with the keke, they'll start calling you Madam Keke.
These children, if children mean to tease you, see, there was
Even
this
some of them,
madam.
they teach the male teachers who ride
Ah,
the keke to school. Like they are not
there was,
serious. Do you know the money they make?
hmm, there was this madam, that was in our school. Excuse me, oh God forgive me. The mouth is like like canoe. Those children, they named her that Enupantu,
Your
Madam
description is
Enupantu. They were calling her Enupantu until one day she heard it that they named her that Enupantu. Come and see the way she was beating.
hey. As for the students,
She got mad. And then with the teachers, if you look at the madam's mouth and the name they gave her,
that's serious.
it was
God's
perfect
creation.
description.
God's creation.
It was perfect description. So I was like,
Oh
children
God.
of this age can actually give a perfect name like this to tease a madam.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It is actually in your court, mama. Struggles every day, everywhere, every day, but we still strong. But then, MK Mama, don't like UK there, can't you get a help? I mean, to help you or something. Or, I
Don't
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 know.
help come with their own consequences. I don't know.
I tell you, but even if you take a help, take a one, the one with married, who is married, and then oh God, making me remember one that was it. Oh God, okay, Mama. Oh God, help to do what, Mama? Maybe to do the
You need
cleaning for you.
Ghana, if you know the number of times people change helps because of one problem to the other, it's not easy. Oh. They'll come and add to
Mm.
your struggles. Some of them.
Then it's better staying off them.
It's not easy finding a good help.
Oh, it's not easy. Oh. All these husband snatches. Hmm. Mm. They'll come and be serving your husband small, 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 small. And then at the end of the day, they'll serve and serve him again. Mm.
You know, some person has changed helps, eh? Like every time you go a new help, this one will come one problem. Even there was a time they brought a girl who was pregnant. They didn't know she was pregnant, so the girl came. It's like the mother was the one serving the girl. The girl so
God.
later they
Imagine.
tested the girl and realized she was pregnant. So it's not easy, and they had to let
Oh.
her go.
Hmm. So they will snatch my husband, right? Oh, yes. So please, MK Mama, you manage. Don't even worry about help.
No, but
Just manage
when
your
you
home.
get
Oh.
help, you can give them limits. Some people will give them limits, but maybe MK Mama doesn't also want all the
Limitation,
hula
no.
balloon.
Limitation, no. Limitation, no. We are human. With time, you will get used to the person and forget that you ever gave that person limitations. You see,
Yeah.
that's the thing. It's not even advisable. You see, this there was this madam that I was working for when I was in high school. She went for a help.
Mm,
That lady, when they went to bring her, she was wearing a zalabia, a big dress to cover her shape and everything, pretending to be a good girl. Hmm.
mm,
When Madam Christie brought this girl to the house and then gave her some clothes that she thought was okay for this girl, this girl started wearing them, the fit, and then the shape was now, you know,
mm,
visible. And she got carried away by it. And guess what happened? Hmm. It was now trouble in that house because the husband
mm.
couldn't resist.
Hey.
Just once, so the lady became the madam of the house. Hmm. Madam Christie was
Wow.
doing her masters. One weekend she came and we're all hearing noise from the bungalow. And I was very free with her because I used to help her do ice cream. Naomi, oh, this lady says she's not going anywhere. The husband too says the lady is not going anywhere. Can you imagine?
Anyway,
Meanwhile,
but now
it's
the
the
husband
madam that
is
meanwhile it's the madam that brought this girl to the house. You were not aware of any help. Now you are saying that if the lady is leaving, then the madam too has to pack her things. Hey, so some of
hey,
these house helps they are not correct though.
why
Hmm.
they use jazz or what? I have a lot of people who want to come and help me, but I'm not complaining. I just use it to encourage you that you think you are tired and fed up. Mm,
I have a lot of people who want to come. I just use it to encourage you. Think and that you think you're tired. Okay. Yeah, we'll not be fed up. We'll not be tired either. Right.
keep on pushing.
We'll push. We'll push. We'll push, Mama. We go push harder. It's not easy. Oh. And me, I'll just go to school and come back and be saying, oh God, like you said, there's no excuse. We don't have any excuse.
Say you're tired.
Mm-mm.
A bit
Mm-mm. The
now you are
struggle is
queen.
excuse.
Your younger siblings are there. So you are resting.
They are even now, they are even, I'm resting though, but the talking is not too much.
Uh,
The way they are beating
the
Jason, no,
struggle is
mm-mm.
actually real, but it's well. Yeah,
Yeah,
it is well.
with ourselves.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I want
It's
to
been
be
a while
like
I
them.
talk famous, so MK Mama. It's been a while I
Mm,
talk famous. Naomi, do you know famous?
yeah,
Hey,
famous
then you
unknown.
join the, is it?
It's a famous unknown.
Yeah. Hey, then
Mm.
you've joined the community for long as well.
Have you forgotten it was his channel? I was talking about the tricycle business, and he advised me that if I want to do, I should rather get people to buy and sell at a higher price instead of letting them work for you for me because they will not take care of the thing. You were there that day. Do you remember? In his live
No,
stream.
not
You
really.
were there. Oh. You were there.
Yeah,
You forgot it.
I've forgotten like that.
Yes, me too, Eunice. It's been long time. Yeah. He's also learning the
Yeah,
trading,
the
so
feeling so well.
very
Very
serious about
serious about it. Okay. Oh wow. Well, yeah, I remember when you advertised that book. She bought it and bought one for who? Was it? But no, he said he was even going to buy one for me, but I don't know. I couldn't get it.
yeah, the trading strategies.
Yeah, he had the book. Yes, I remember. MK Mama, I remember. He and someone like this. I think he got it first. Promised to give me, but I don't know. Maybe we can look for the PDF of that book. Naomi, maybe we'll
I've
get it.
seen it too. I've searched, but it's not there.
Share somebody's hard work.
I saw some books on
Oh,
Gigi,
yes,
but they were
KD.
different.
KD. And even KD got one for Dummy. Yeah. KD got one for Dummy. That's nice
It's
though.
not there apart from Amazon or what.
Maybe I'll have to beg Smokey to order for me if it is not expensive.
I think that time they were saying, is it 20 or 30? Is it $20 or $30?
Okay. Oh.
Oh, I'm lying. Hey,
Mhm.
me cannot lie.
I think it was 10 or 20. It
It
was
was more than 10.
really, really
I saw
strategies.
some trading books on Gigi, but I don't know whether they are good. But I couldn't find that one. You know Gigi.
Yeah. Katie is also working hard because she has come to know it can be a life saving. Oh wow. Yeah, that's why I've not been seeing her too. My dear, so we are
Mm.
still flipping on YouTube. We still want YouTube money. No, me.
Hey,
No, me, you still want YouTube money.
YouTube is a heartbreaker.
Oh, as for me, dear, to be quite honest, YouTube is a place that it gives me this different joy. I don't know. But
You
now I don't want YouTube money. No, please let me take
for
my words
you for
back.
you YouTube there, YouTube it's good for you. Like that's what I see.
Mhm.
Like
Yeah.
you vibe with the people well.
YouTube is
But some of
okay.
us are just trying.
YouTube. Hi. YouTube. Yes.
YouTube
And
has been a blessing to me in several ways, but no,
yes, and even YouTube,
using
I get to
YouTube
see.
as a
Yes.
means of dating is not for me.
Yes, MK Mama. Yeah. So I don't
Yes.
know. Seriously, it's a very good platform.
Yeah, it's a good
Serious.
platform.
I'll start. I
Good
don't know, like
platform. Oh,
I don't know how to strategize myself. Because if I'm in school, I cannot learn this trading thing. You know, it needs concentration. When you concentrate, you understand better. And all these noises. Madam. Eh?
no, you just need to have a time for it. Maybe in the
Yes.
evening,
After school.
when
After
everywhere is
school.
quiet.
After school, I will learn.
Me, I usually get it very well in the morning. In the morning, when I wake up and my brain is fresh. Yeah, because
Wow.
now I don't have to wake up and I'm rushing to go to school. So
My dear, in the morning, do you know what happens to me? Because I don't sleep early, I'll make sure I wake
mhm,
up 6:30 something. So I'll use the 30
okay,
minutes to prepare for Jason and blah blah blah. Then the next 30 minutes is for me bathing Jason. Oh, how did
How
you
did
find
this lesson? Did you feel you
it?
can train?
Personally, yes.
Yeah, demo. Yeah, I can start with a demo based on the lessons that we had. My only problem is the entry and the exit. Entry and
Me,
exit. I don't know.
I've not gotten to the entry, the exit, the stop loss, and then the take price. What I have studied
Take
so
profit.
far is that when you are buying, your stop loss is at the down, and when you are selling, your stop loss is at the top. But I don't know. Don't know anything
PROs
about it.
or is it pros?
No, PROs. Mm.
Uh,
So yeah, I mean, I think I'm more familiar with the support and resistance.
yes, me too.
I'm more familiar with that one. Yeah. But with the fair value gap, I think I'm getting that one too. No PR. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. MK Mama.
Is it public relations officer?
Mm.
Oh.
Very good. No, me, why are you laughing?
No, I'm looking for the full meaning of the PR and I say, is it public relations officer?
Yes.
No, I
No, I mean
mean
PR. PRO.
pro.
Hey, or is this
Pro.
related to trade?
Pro. Or is pro. PRO
No, it's
is
in cap.
PRO.
So that's like abbreviation. No, pro.
I have to
Okay.
say oh, pro. Uh-huh.
Okay, pro. Okay, okay. Pro. Pro.
I've declared of myself. That's by no next year self will it be too much. I'll be an experienced trader by God's grace with a lot of wins because I have the best the best teachers. So MK has really sacrificed for us and we have to come out
Yeah.
with more wins.
Yeah. As for me, by the grace of God, by December, I should be a pro.
Amen.
To be a pro, unless
Why are you
where we
laughing?
can know what to do. I'll be happy seeing you guys. Seriously. Yeah. MK Mama, yes. We'll try our best. Like, we'll try harder, push
You
harder till we get there. Yeah. Trading. Like, I never really thought of this thing. Oh. Even when MK Mama was saying it on her live stream, I was like, hey, God. I said, no, this is not for me. This is not for me. I was saying this is not for me. Till when did I convince myself? I think it was when one time I came to Dami's live stream and I saw that MK Mama was teaching her alone and she was
Mhm.
seriously trying to sign up and sign in with some things. I was like, hey God, oh, where am I? So I stayed in the bush and I was like, hey, I don't want to comment and distract them more. So I just stayed in
So
the bush and I was just watching. But that day, Dami was not getting it though. So they tried and he was tired and said they should continue next time. So I was like, hey,
mm,
maybe I should also tighten my belt. I should also
yeah.
just look at it a little bit.
Let's try the demo, but I don't know when we can try it. Or maybe I don't know whether we'll have another class before we start with the demo.
So with the demo, no, it means you have to have a demo account too with Xness or whatever broker you're using.
Yes.
So you can use demo.
I think when I wanted Kofi to cash out the demons, it's I
My
beg
brother,
demons, don't come and spy
my
on
brother,
me. Oh, wherever you are, you better disappear. No demons shall come my way in Jesus' name.
no, man, no. Kofi, I'm just praying the Kofi will not vex me. Because Kofi say, so you people are having classes and you are not telling me, eh? I was like, that day I came and met Kofi here. So when Kofi left, I thought, okay, maybe he's not interested. No, he was fasting. Hmm? Kofi will
Well,
say,
yeah, fasting, you can still learn okay. Everybody and how they fast.
I don't know why though, but maybe he just wanted to use that day to, I don't know, but
Because sometimes we fast and we still go to work, right? So I
yeah.
don't know.
Even the Lord said, when you're fasting, don't let everybody know you're fasting. Put on a beautiful and smiley face, you know. Well, Kofi is something else. I tell you. Now he said, who doesn't want to learn? That who wants to work? I said, oh, my brother is interested. Mm.
So and the me are there, hopefully by the end of this month I will get the laptop. I'll be going because
Amen.
I'll be going back. I have to get it. So now that I'm going back home, I'll get it. And then I will be very sure when my husband is done with his school too, he has
He
to
also
join.
learned.
Yeah.
I can't fast and put media when it's for something. Yeah, really, I can't put on a smiley face. Bless. Question for
Where are
you.
you now? I'm in Tamale. I came to visit him, but I'll be leaving. I don't know whether
Bless.
tomorrow or within the week.
Bless. This your
I'll
visitation
be
has
going
been
back.
long.
I'll be going back to my village.
You go carry belle go back because this your visitation there. Oh,
Then, then I receive him.
because
Hey.
this one there you've kept long pa. Ah,
Mm.
hey, bless. See your innocent face.
I mean, they see me and they feel like one girl who completed SS and came to visit the boyfriend. You don't know. They think they'll be like, this small teenager, she has come to visit her boyfriend.
Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Where is your village? Sandema. There is one village in
Sunday.
Sandema. I don't know. I don't think MK knows has heard of Sandema before.
I don't think MK knows around our areas there. Oh.
Mm, it's called that's the town Sandema. So I'm living in one of the communities.
Yeah, that's far too.
You know the school I'm teaching, Sandema. So that's
Senior
where
high.
we. Mm,
Is it a big school?
yeah, it's somehow not all that big though.
Mm,
I don't know. Is it one of the C schools? You know the schools they have categories.
yeah.
I think I was. Is it C or D self?
I hope that you guys did well this year.
Don't know. The students. That's why I want to see whether I can take transfer and come to Siani, but actually it's not easy.
Hmm? So you know that they say things are expensive there, no? Mm-hmm.
Or Techima. I want to leave this part. Oh, serious.
You don't have to.
Sandema.
If you are leaving that part, you have to live with your husband. Because remember, from
The
here to
issue.
Tamale will be 5 hours, 6 hours, and that's so far now. It's too
Mm.
far.
Sandema
Mhm.
like this.
Yes. Y- yes.
Yes, that's
I
Sandema.
think so.
Sandema, yeah.
That's what. That's what my uncle. My uncle was in Tamale, and the wife is in Yendi. So my uncle
Mm.
said, "Oh, we need
Okay, I
to
don't know how
travel."
far
Oh."
it is.
My uncle said, "Oh, we need to leave. We need to leave the northern region." So my uncle managed to leave to one of these, like it's far from even here, Kumasi area there, leaving the wife
Uh,
in Yendi. So you teach
so
yourself.
you think, where are you now? I mean, Tamale. Tamale. Tamale.
Family. You know what MK wants to know. So just say it.
How do you mean? I'm not.
No, you're not lost. No, me.
I'm
You
in
know.
Tamale.
Okay, bless.
Mm-hmm. See the MK is okay with my answer. I'm in Tamale.
Tamale Kawula.
Mm. Say Tamale is you're riding rough.
If you don't walk by the road, they will clear you off now.
Hey, I'm even afraid. I said I cannot stay here. Oh, they will even come and hit you and they will insult you on top.
I Shade Ayambo. Yes, that's how they'll tell you. Shade Ayambo. They'll say Shade. Are you from here?
Bad.
Mhm.
Bolgatanga.
Yes. Upper
Eh?
East.
Bolgatanga is upper east, but Tamale is northern region.
Yeah.
Tamale is northern region.
Tamale
Though
is
they usually
nice.
call all the three northern regions. I love to speak Frafra. Okay.
MK Mama, you love to speak
Who is
Frafra?
this?
Hey,
I need
somebody
to
is
time
insulting
out.
us. No, no, leave the person. Leave the person, Naomi.
Eh.
Leave the person. Don't read.
Frafra. My husband is Frafra.
Yeah.
So Eunice is my sister-in-law.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Hey.
I am the sister in law, and we are going to cash out together. Imagine.
So
The ladies are going to stand up for the family.
yeah.
MK Mama,
Frafra.
give us one. Maybe I'll come there one day to speak. Ah, come
Hey.
to Bolga.
Wow.
You enjoy
Food
Bolga
at
time.
Bolga. Yeah, Bolga is nice.
Yeah.
Bolga is nice. Though those are the south things, it's not nice, but it's nice. Some of them when they come, they don't really go back. Some don't go
Yeah.
back.
It's true. Meanwhile, before they go, I remember when they posted that someone was like, "No, me, I'm not going to Bolga. I'm looking for transfer." And then the youth employment agency was like, "Okay, if they send you and you will not go, they'll give your position to another person." So they finally posted him. And now someone is enjoying Bolga. He refused to take
Eh?
this thing and leave. See you.
Hi, Tree. Tree, thank you for coming. How are you doing, Tree?
No nice place, but just to experience the living.
Uh,
Okay. You take Zoncom and all of those things. I'll make sure I put the pepper well.
and we'll use the sun to boil yam.
It might sound like it's not nice, but trust me, it's very
The sun
delicious.
is so hot that when you just fetch water and put the yam inside, leave it under the sun. By the time you come, it's cooked.
Ah, Kuala is hot. Hi.
Hey, I know the heat.
You be
No,
walking and
like
then
sun, like the sunlight, sunlight.
you be walking and your eyes will be like the vapor from
It's
the
very
sun
hot.
will
Hey,
be reflecting your eyes. Hush.
especially February, March. February, March. You don't know where to put yourself.
And the trees too are no more many. Hmm?
I know it's hot there, but boiling yam is crazy. Yes, so MK, you don't need fire.
I know me.
Oh
And
God.
let me guess what? When I go there and I see that people are still bleaching there, I'll be like, wow. So
Oh,
these
they are
people, they don't fear this heat.
they bleach because I think that's what their husbands want or what. I don't even know.
Your husband wants you to change. When he was coming to marry you, were you looking like that? Why
My
is that?
place, the way they bleach, some of them they bleach, and when they have a wound, it's difficult to like suture it, or how do they say it?
Ah,
They're like the way they always sew, no, because their flesh has become somehow. So I don't know why they are bleaching like that. MK says, wow.
it's sad.
Oh, it's really hot. Like in March, February, March is hot though.
It
It
will
will
be
be
nice.
nice there.
Yes,
Really?
MK Mama. You will
It's
eat all
nice.
the different kinds of fruits, like the blackberries. Do you know there's a type of blackberries?
Mm,
The blackberries, the yellow ones. Oh my
the
God,
share fruits.
NCB,
The share
um,
fruits.
yeah, Tama, that's a share fruit. Ah, there are
But
so
I want
many
to
of
change
them.
the environment because I've been there all my life.
You want to do
And I
what?
want to change. I want to change the environment because I've been there all my life.
Yeah, please do change.
Mm,
When it comes like that, people that don't really like you, mm, I don't know how to put
nice.
it.
Yeah, if we get the chance, we'll change. But it's not easy to get transfer. Oh.
Teacher, you have to.
Is it
Is it
Sandema?
something?
Yeah, I'm talking about like Upper East in general. But Sandema, I was there since 2018. 2018. But like I mean in the Upper East, I've grown there all my life. Then you have been in San for long. Yes, so
Imagine you cash out
and
from trading, then you buy your air conditioned Porsche car
hey,
and buy air conditioning in your house.
my husband last went to Cape Coast just for how many weeks? When he came, the way he was looking different. For that place, there's no sun. I was like, hey,
Freshness,
you know
pa.
the sun can also make you dark. Oh.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
my dear.
you need to get AC.
Yeah, so you need to get
AC,
AC.
go cry for like doesn't it consumes, eh?
My dear, I don't know.
Only problem is the heat, but I'll cook. Okay. It depends on the time of the year. It's around March. No, I think February to March, April. That time is very hot.
Especially March. Oh,
Yes. Even if you remove all your things, still you shower, still you don't even know what to do.
the walls will become hot. Everywhere hot.
Everywhere is hot. Sometimes you go and sleep outside, but still
or
or
swimming
swimming
pool.
pool around your house. Yeah. Yeah. Where I am, we have is dam. They don't have swimming pools. The dam too is.
Oh yeah, but you see those times it's always interesting because you go to the dams. Oh my god,
Yeah,
you
but now nobody
swim.
swims there. Now nobody swims in the dam.
Wow. So when lights are off, that will be difficult. Yeah.
Difficult. And that's usually when they put the light off frequently. I don't know why. During that season. Ah. So if I get like Techima, I'm sure Techima will be better.
Take you in
At least
there.
this is fresh. Why laughing after seeing swimming pool? Is it rare? Swimming pool, unless hotels. Hotels. Yeah, swimming
Mm,
pool is not common.
hotels.
What is the name of that popular hotel in Bolga? Akayet, right?
Quiet. Mm,
Yeah, Akayet, yeah. Those are the places you get nice swimming pool.
okay. MK Mama is 1 a.m. at your end, though. Eh.
Okay, so we have to allow MK to sleep. Eunice, and then we'll sleep. Today is Sunday. I beg, don't go and doze off in church.
Today is Sunday. Hmm. My dear, say it again. No, these days our church they are doing something that I don't like. Mm. Every
Why
day
they
they are
keep
doing.
long?
Every day they are doing harvesting. Every day harvesting. Hey, I
Hey
don't know.
God. Hey.
Mm.
This
Eh,
harvesting is not easy. Oh.
every Sunday they do it. Pastor will come out. I'm holding 50 cities. So who again? Hmm.
It is well.
I don't like that. I don't know. My spirit and that thing is not just clicking. I don't like it. Ah,
Why? If they are harvesting.
yeah, why every Sunday? Why? After the harvesting, then you do collection again. Why?
Sometimes when
Make
you don't go, they'll be looking at you. You'll be
you
like,
do.
ah, so this lady like this.
Mm. MK,
Especially
they'll
if
say
it's a
that.
small church.
MK say it again. They'll say, you a madam. Hmm. MK, do you sing a church? No, I'm part of Aquaba gang. We welcome new people to the church. Ah,
Usher.
when it's time for that thing, I'll be like, what is this? Eh? Madam,
Well, you
madam.
don't want the church to harvest. You don't want let the church harvest.
No, I am not against the harvest. I am not. And God knows I'm not against it. But every
Some
Sunday,
things we don't need to talk about it too. Some of the churches, like, if you see the
ah,
kind of experiences, it's only
every,
God.
every Sunday, and you don't even know where the money is going. You don't even know where it's going. People are suffering in the church. Oh,
Just have to go for God.
gang. And I feel, yeah. Every Sunday,
Gang.
yeah, no. Yes, MK Mama. That's too. I thought I was only. I thought maybe I was overthinking.
No, every Sunday, dear.
Ah,
Harvest, they do it once in a year. It's once
and
in a year.
even this one, they're saying that in November they are doing harvest. May I pray that that time I'll get out of that place. Oh. What happened is that it's not really my own church. It's not really my own church. Right now, we are doing a program with a different church. We are trying to blend. I don't know, but
Uh,
it's a program that we do every year. They'll just share the church members, some of the church members to some churches. You
oh,
understand? To blend the I don't know how to put it. Yeah, but we go to observe
socialize or what?
we go to observe and also share the word of God and be with them for like 3 months. Then when you come back to your own church, you have like it's just like research. You understand that our my church does every year. So you go to this church, then do your research. Then after that, we compile the research and know what exactly is going on in churches and some of the implementations and all of that. Because my church happens to have an NGO as well. So this research actually helps the NGO in supporting the churches that meet their criteria and all of that. So I've come to this church
Okay.
every day. I've come to this church every Sunday. Or because they have seen Madam, I don't know. Maybe because they have seen that I'm a Madam. Every Sunday, affordable. Every Sunday. The pastor will share and remove 50 cities. Every time to he's removing 50 cities. God forgive me, but I was saying in my head that by now it's collection money. You remove collection money, 50 cities and hold and say, you are having money. People should come out. Oh,
He's
God,
leading
oh.
by
Ah, mm, it's too much. But Jason loves the pastor in the church. Oh, Jason, dear, he loves the church. He loves the church. And then the pastor, Jason calls the pastor Papa. So,
Mm,
Naomi, every day, recently. So right now, I don't even
so the
have
church
cash with
people are
me.
not complaining.
You say?
The church people they are not complaining.
How will you
But
even
when you go
complain?
in there, it's not compulsory for you to give. If you have, you give. If you don't have, that's fine.
Naomi, before God and man, this one is like an intentional one they do on me.
Eh.
Seriously.
Why is it a small church or what?
Is it a
It's a small church, eh?
yeah, it's not grown like that. It's not grown.
Uh,
Ah,
or they've
don't
been
watch
watching
your
your
face.
YouTube video. They've been joining your life.
Ah, they should join. Why?
And they'll
Mm.
say that this one is
Intentional
a big
robbery.
YouTuber. Let's take some of her money.
Imagine every Sunday I have to do 20 cities or 50 cities. What work am I doing? Eh?
It is well.
They, they feel like they teach you know you
And
are
it's not compulsory
packing
to
money.
give. You can decide not to give if you don't have.
Now I'm not even
Uh,
happy in the church again. I'm not happy. 3 months is
it's
even too
well.
far. I'm done with just 1 month. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
And
Some of them,
when you do that thing, the way the pastor will be smiling with you, no. But when you don't do it, oh
everybody will greet you after church.
God, hmm, stop! It's too much. Let me try and rest here. Okay, MK Mama. Oh, you've
If you
done
know
well,
what they
though.
did to me, when I finished school and I didn't have job, I was forced to give tithe in arrears. Meanwhile, I wasn't working, claiming that um don't I eat? Don't I eat? Once I eat, I have to give the tithe. So sometimes I have
Oh
to
my
go and
goodness.
collect money from my father.
No, me, I'll not pay. I'll also tell them Malachi. I'll tell them to go and read
Before I will
Malachi.
pass out. Okay, MK Mama, thank you so much. Have a good night rest.
Have a good rest. God bless you. God bless you so
Yes,
much.
sure. Yeah, also men, like, what can we say?
Because you are not working. God said 10% from your salary or your income. What income are you earning?
My sister,
Hmm. It is well.
it wasn't
No,
easy. Hmm?
ah, God bless you too. Amen.
You know,
Amen.
Guinness, prepare for your harvest tomorrow. Why?
Yeah. Good night,
Oh,
Naomi.
let's pray that tomorrow they will not do the harvest.
That one there is sure banker.
Hey, that's serious. Like every Sunday, that's too much. Seriously.
DMK is laughing my 10%. Oh my god. I know why MK Mama is
Your
laughing now.
10% is secured.
So imagine, the reason why she's laughing, her
Mm,
10% is huge.
yeah, very big.
Mhm. 10%. Oh, you don't even know where the money will be entering. That's me, my problem.
Like someone said, God, give me good job that when I give you my tithe, you go smile. Not the one that will give it.
It's so
Hey.
true, man.
God, give me good job with good income so that when I give you the tithe, you yourself, you'll be smiling with me.
Mm.
Because the tithe is huge. Well,
Hmm.
you need things. Why? Let's go and sleep
Just imagine, I love to tie though.
to tithe. Yes, I also love to, but like where they were forcing, you didn't have work to do. That was the time I wanted to marry, and they said I wasn't that's my community or my own village where I'm coming from. I was born in that church, but there was a new pastor, and they said I wasn't working. The time we are getting married, I wasn't working. But this pastor said, God forgive me, that if I don't give the tithe, they will not do my wedding for me.
Oh
That I have to calculate. That I
my.
have to calculate and bring
Ay.
arrears. So, and I told the pastor, I'm not working. And he asked me that, don't I eat? So I went to my father, collected money.
God.
My sister,
Who
the way I
does that?
suffered, sometimes I'll just be thinking about this pastor. But I don't have anything against him though. You have to give it out willingly. But why would you force me? I'm not working. You said I must bring it. Should I go and steal?
I do it myself. So no one forces me because of my 10%. My pastor always praying for
Yeah.
me. Hmm.
Yeah.
Amen.
That's how
No.
it should be. But this one,
Amen.
I do it. I do it willingly. Where I am now, I do it willingly. But that one, no, I didn't even have, I wasn't working. And they said I must give. If not, they will not do our wedding. And that was my home church. Oh, like I was born there. But it's just that a new pastor came.
Some
I have
money
to go
to
and get
excel your
money.
position. It's so true.
Mm,
After giving the money, especially when they raise the 50 cities and they see that the number is great, hmm, come and see his happiness.
no, okay. I don't even know whether the tithe is, but whatever. At least if we give, we are giving it to God. So whatever they use it for,
Mhm.
they now have. They will now be accountable. It's not easy. Oh. Tithing personally, I love it. I do it, but to be forced, dear.
Baby is
Oh,
good night, MK. Take
good
care of yourself.
night. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. God bless you. We really do appreciate
Forgive us
that
if we have said anything wrong, but sometimes, Charlie.
these people are making it too much. Oh, thank you so much, MK Mama. Sleep well.
Thank you.
Making it obvious that they love money.
Yeah, very obvious. Like nowadays, I don't even know where they. It's well.
After these
It
three
is
months, I'll
well
go
with
back
our
to my
soul.
church. I'll
Eh?
see how they'll be getting it. I said after these 3 months, when I go, I'll see how they'll be getting the money.
Yeah. Are you
Eh,
muted?
no, I'm not.
Ah, you were saying
No.
something.
Yeah, I was saying that after the 3 months, when I go, back to my church. We'll see how they'll be getting the money.
It's well.
All right, well,
God
okay.
will help.
Let's sleep, eh? Now that I'm going to bath.
Okay. Oh
Sleep.
my.
It was worth it.
All right.
Yeah. Good
But it's
night.
worth it. So we will try and
Yeah.
learn this thing. So the next time she teaches us the entry, or if we can also do research on it, then we'll try the demo by God's grace.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Sound sleep.
Same to you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Please don't forget the link. Oh, maybe you can send it tomorrow too.
Okay, I will just send it to you right now before I forget.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
But I will put it on private, right? So
Yes.
I
Yes.
will send it. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.